It's time to 3D print my articulated snake. I feel like articulated things can be a dicey topic in the community, but I just wanted to see if I could make one from scratch by myself. And of course we're using our little A1 mini. It's gonna take almost 2 hours. Yikes. Definitely not an ideal print time, but it's just a test and I don't really care. I ended up giving the snakes to my nephew and he loved them. Listen to this video.
That's how much I love you.